All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about how you can stop being paranoid about AI and actually start using it to build your future. And we're doing it based on some amazing insights from AI entrepreneur Vaibhav Sisenti.
Yeah, a massacre. I mean, that's a pretty intense way to put it, right? But it's the reality check Vaibhav Sisenti thinks we all desperately need. He's saying the job market is going through this massive, seismic shift, and AI is the cause. And here's the thing, this isn't some far-off sci-fi future. It is happening right now.
And look, the numbers, they're already backing this up. Just take the 1.5 million engineering students graduating in India every single year. The placement rates have absolutely plummeted, from an already kind of scary 10% down to just 6%. This really gets to the heart of the problem. Those traditional cookie-cutter jobs, the ones that can be broken down into repeatable steps, they're just vanishing. But hey, this isn't just about engineers. Not at all. AI is coming for any role that's built on doing the same tasks over and over again. Instead of on original, creative thinking, it's shaking up the very foundation of a ton of entry-level and even mid-level careers. Think about it. Coding, graphic design, sales, customer support, AI agents are now doing these jobs faster, cheaper, and let's be honest, a lot of the time, better than humans. And get this, Vaibhav himself is a perfect example. He cut his engineering team from 15 people down to just 5. But that's not even the craziest part. His entire 40-person pre-sales team replaced by AI agents. And through all that, his company's output actually went up. Okay, so if all these traditional jobs are on the chopping block, what's next? What replaces them? Well, the answer isn't just some new specialty. It's a whole new way of thinking, a whole new career path. For the longest time, the advice we all got was specialize. Go super deep in one thing, become the expert. Well, that era, it's pretty much over. The future belongs to what we're calling the AI generalist, someone who can jump between different fields. So, what exactly is an AI generalist? It's not someone who knows everything. No way. It's someone who's a master at using AI to solve anything. They take their broad knowledge and their human insight, and they use that to direct these incredibly powerful tools. They're the conductor of the orchestra. So how do you actually command these powerful systems? You'd think it's all about complex code, right? Nope. It's about language. It's about clear, concise English. Your ability to ask the right questions, to give the right context, that's the new superpower. That's how you turn what's in your head into action from an AI.
Okay, I know this might sound like a huge, intimidating shift, but the good news is there's a clear roadmap, a step-by-step guide that Vaibhav lays out for anyone to follow to become an AI generalist. Let's walk through it.
All right, so here's the 5-level roadmap. It all starts at level 0 exploration. You just have to play. You can't use a tool you don't understand, so get your hands dirty. Then you hit level 1. Understand. This is where you learn the basics of how these models work and, crucially, master the art of prompting. That's your foundation. From there, you level up by going beyond just text to images, video, and audio. Then you start to build actual products, often without writing a single line of code. And the final step, level 5, is where it gets really powerful. Automation. You learn to build and deploy AI agents that can actually go to work for you. The key thing here is that every level builds on the last one. It's a journey anyone can start. Now, once you start climbing this ladder and getting these skills, something amazing happens. It's not just about job security anymore. You get this massive entrepreneurial edge. You can literally build businesses that a single person couldn't have even dreamed up just a few years ago. Just think about that for a second. An individual, a solopreneur, who gets AI, or maybe a tiny team, can now build, market, and support a product at a scale that used to take dozens, if not hundreds of people. This completely levels the playing field. It is, without a doubt, the biggest entrepreneurial opportunity of our lifetime. So, what could you actually do? Well, here are 3 real-world ideas you could literally start tomorrow. You could create an agency helping local businesses automate their boring tasks. Or you could open what Sisenti calls a vibe coding studio, which is basically a cool way of saying you build custom, personalized AI tools for specific clients. Or you could create super smart AI voice agents for customer support and sell that as a service. The barrier to getting started has never, ever been lower. So, look, at the end of the day, this really isn't about the technology. It's about mindset. This change is happening whether we want it to or not. The fear is real, I get it, but the opportunity to build, to create, and to truly thrive in this new world, man, that opportunity is so much bigger. The only question left is the one on your screen. Thanks for joining this explainer.